I moved here in 2008 from Alaska, a newly single mother. And it was, during that time in 2008 when the market was terrible. But every title company that I interviewed with, we love you. We would love to take you, but we are not authorized to do any hiring because of everything that was going on at the time. And so I just got lucky and picked up a newspaper when that was still the thing that you could do. And I saw the ad. I must have faxed them 20 times. When I read it, I said, this is my job. This is where I'm gonna be. Then after I came in and I met Chris and I met Ike and I met Gertie, who was the lady that I was gonna work with, it didn't feel like you were sitting in a super scary corporate interview. It felt like I was getting ready to jump in with a new family. And essentially I did. I really did. It was incredible. For somebody who was completely, out on her own doing this with 3 kids, it was very scary. When I first moved here, there were hurricanes. I did not do my research, so I did not know that. So when they said evacuate, I'm like, to where? Ike was very helpful. He let me know exactly where to go, made sure I was okay, made sure everything was all set and that I was safe. And he'd known me for a month, but I think he just had a good feeling about me, and I definitely had a good feeling about them. They treat you like family, and I could never appreciate anybody anymore as if he were my own dad. It was awesome.